Let me see your haircut. Oh boy. You gotta show them your haircut. Let me see. Show them the side. Let them see the side. See that fade? Oh, there you go. Whoa, there you go. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. That's my nephew Dallas, obviously. Say hey, Dallas. Right now, we just got him a haircut, as y'all saw in the first clip. And now we're gonna get him some Chick-fil-A because he did really good getting a haircut. He was real still, he didn't fuss, nothing. So where we going? Chick-fil-A. So before we start the video, so yeah, this is the point of the video. So I'm actually heading to Houston. By the time y'all see this video, I'll be in Houston. So if you're in Houston, hit me up. If you want to do something later that night or whatever, hit me up. I'll be out there in Houston. So we taking, like I said, we taking a road trip. And then I'm also, this is an announcement. So we at, I think 420 or something like that subscribers at the moment. I haven't checked, but I think we had like 420. So I'm gonna do a 500 subscriber giveaway because that makes me halfway to the goal of 1,000. So I'm gonna do a 500 subscriber giveaway. What I'm gonna do is have to go follow make sure you go follow Rich Creations, my Rich Creation page, which is always down here and it's always in the link below. Go follow the page, give us a follow on Instagram, and then once I hit 500, I'm gonna announce the rules. And one of the rules is you have to follow the Rich Creation page. So what I'm gonna be giving away is I have this speaker tumbler, which is gonna be in another vlog. So I have this speaker tumbler. I think it's a 20 ounce. I'm not sure, but it has a Bluetooth speaker on top of it. It's waterproof and all that stuff, so you can bring it. I don't know, different events. You know, y'all chilling with the boys, chilling with the girls, whatever, chilling with some family. Y'all chilling, you know, at car meets or whatever, y'all chilling, you can bring it to that. You can use it for pretty much anything. The Bluetooth speaker is pretty loud, so it's really it's nice quality. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna powder coat it. It's gonna have our logo on it, and I may include like your name or something like that. But I haven't decided what all I'm gonna do to the speaker tumbler, but it's most likely gonna be powder coated. And I mean, I'm trying to have it looking cool and everything like that. So so make sure you want to win that tumbler. It's a free giveaway. Make sure you go follow our Rich Creation page and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because that's gonna be the two main rules. Subscribe to the channel and follow the Rich Creation page. So let's go ahead and get this video started. We got a couple of little things that we're doing. So I'm trying to prepare to leave to go to Houston. So like I said, by the time y'all see this video, we'll be in Houston. Right, so we also gonna be building we're gonna be making like a little rocket that I bought from my nephew. So like I said, right now we on the way to Chick-fil-A because I've been promising him Chick-fil-A for a long time, and I haven't came through on that promise. So Lindsay did pretty good today with his haircut. We have taken him to Chick-fil-A. Well, we're not gonna go inside, we're just gonna go order drive-thru. But yeah, so flex with your haircut, man. Let me see your haircut. Ooh. But yeah, so when I was smaller, my dad used to take me and my brothers go get haircuts. So that was like, I guess, a bonding thing for us, because we would always go with him, go get haircuts. And after a while, he would just, y'all go get your haircut. He was already paid for it. But especially when we were small, we would always go with him. So I've been asking my sister to bring him get a haircut, but she also been asking me for the past week. And I've just been busy, I guess. I've been busy and I've been forgetting. But so today I was like, all right, we're gonna go get him a haircut.
Dallas, you come over here. I don't trust your uncle. Come over here. Run away, run away. Yeah, help Uncle Mo. Let's say a prayer. This go in the air where it's supposed to go. Moving now. Dallas, when Uncle Mo put it in there, you come run over here by the bush, okay? You hear me? Okay. It said 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Yeah, when you were bending, that's why I had it here. Don't stand up and we're good. Oh boy. Move, Dallas, run, move. Move. Move, Dallas.
Nothing?
It's too cold outside.
This is whack. I wasted all my money for this.
You should have read the instructions the first time. Do you hear it fizzing?
Yeah, it's starting to sound louder. Already wet. Oh, okay. It says it's supposed to be wet, but it probably already had vinegar in it and reacted. Oh! Oh, I got that on video too. You missed it. It flew. It went into that bush. Remember when she shook it? Oh. So let's try it one more time. It worked. Take that one. Hold it. Sonic, 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 Sonic. Sonic. Sonic run. You ready? All right, Dallas. All right.
What we do here is go back.
Valerie about to come over here. It ain't doing nothing. That was it? It went worse than that last time. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ella, what are you doing? What are you doing? Play with her toes. Alright.
Okay, breathe in.
A few moments later.
Got started. So that was a little cool. Alright, so y'all don't forget about the giveaway that I'm doing. We're giving away a free tumbler from my business, RICHCREATION LLC. So make sure you go and follow that page. I got more content coming. more, especially trying to do a little bit more things with the GA, trying to make some things happen, so we can see how they go, and more reviews. So make sure y'all go. I'm trying to just get organized. That's my mission, is to get organized, because I feel like things are gonna take off sooner or later. So thank y'all for watching. If you watched this little vlog, I know it wasn't a car vlog, but I want to include vlogs like that on my channel anyway. But thank you for watching. Hope y'all have a good day. I had a good day, and I'll see y'all in the next one.